Feelunique Advent Calendar launches on the 16th of September and is priced at £89. It apparently contains products worth more than £250. Now, this is the first time that Feelunique are doing drawer-type Advent calendars. The packaging looks like this, and I absolutely love this packaging. Now, for reference, this was the Feelunique Advent calendar from 2 years ago, the little beauty parcel. They actually did Advent calendars in different sizes, you know, regular, 12-day, and so on. I always bought the biggest one. Last year was the first time that I missed out. And it opened like this, and inside you would have individual boxes containing the products, yeah, in this space. This year, though, they are doing a fully repurposable, but this is repurposable as well. I use it to store important papers, documents. So this year you get a proper drawer-type Advent calendar. Now, let's see if the products are worth it and what they are. First off, Sol de Janeiro. No, not the Boom Boom cream. You get the Coco Cabana cream. You get 25 mils of it. Full size is 75 mils and retails at £18. I'm not going to count this, but I am very happy to see the Coco Cabana cream instead of the Boom Boom cream. I love the Boom Boom cream, but you know, it's nice to try something new. The next product is one that doesn't wow me at all. It is the This Works Deep Sleep Pillow Spray, 5 mils. I'm over this. I think I've got quite a lot of these. Very tiny, single-use plastic that's bad for the environment as well. The next product is full-sized. The Essence Lash Princess Volume Mascara, 12 mils, retailing at £3.29. £3.29, everybody. Urban Apothecary Mini Candle in Fig Tree, 35 grams. Full size is 70 grams, retailing at 15 quid. You can halve 15 quid, 7.5 if you want, and calculate the value. But, you know, I'm not going to do that, at least not in the first round. Emma Hardie Moisture Boost Vitamin C Cream, 20 mils is next, and 50 mils is full size, retailing at £49. Next is full sized Neom Hand Balm, 30 mils, and that retails at £9. Laura Mercier Pure Canvas Hydrating Primer, 10 mils is next. Full size is 25 mils, retailing at £17. The next is Fekkai Brilliant Gloss Shampoo, 60 mils, retailing at £8 by itself, but full size is actually 250 mils, retailing at 20. I don't think I'll count the 8 quid right now. The next product is from Charlotte Tilbury. It is the magic, no, not cream, it is the new Serum. And you get 3.6 mils of this. While it's new, I would have liked, you know, an 8 mil sample instead. Full size is 30 mils, retailing at 60 quid. Yeah, this is a serum that everybody has heard a lot about, the one with crystals and everything. While I'd be happy to try it, 3.6 mils. Not very generous there. The next product is full size, though. It is from Rodial. It is their Bitsy Energizing Sheet Mask. A sheet mask. Full sized. Obviously, how do you send out a half size sheet mask? Eh? £14 for this one sheet mask. Yeah, really. I'm not going to say anything else. The Elemis Pro-Collagen Rose Cleansing Balm is next, and you get 20 quid, which actually retails for £9.50. 105 grams is full sized, and that retails for £39.91. The next is Tropez Tanning Face Mist, 14 mils. That is, full size is 80 and retails at 15 quid 40 pence. And then you have the Sunday Ivy Makeup Blender. This retails at £6.40. Philosophy Purity Skincare Cleanser is next. 30 mils you get. Full size is 240 mils, retailing at £17.43. The Nuxe Reve Face Balm is next. You get 30 mils of it. Full size though is 50 mils, retailing at 27 quid. The next product is the Brown Alchemist Facial Exfoliant for 20 mils. This actually retails at 22 quid. Full size is 75 mils and retails at 43. BeautyPro Thermotherapy Gold Foil Sheet Mask. The second sheet mask in this calendar. This retails at £4.95. Saturday Skin Bright Potion Probiotic Par Serum is next. Full size is 30 mils, you get 10 mils, and 30 mils retails at 41 quid. Elizabeth Arden Ceramide Advanced Capsules is next. You get 7 capsules. A full size is actually 30 capsules, and that retails from between 36 and 39 pounds. Origins Clear Improvement Charcoal Mask is 30 mils in this Advent calendar. Full size is 75 mils, retailing at 22 quid. The Aveda Smooth Hair Infusion Smoother is next. That is 25 mils. mils. You get this for £9. Full size is actually 100 mils. This is the travel size that you get. Full size is 100 mils, retailing for 23 quid. The NARS Longwear eyeliner in Via Veneto is next, and you get 0.3 mils, 0.3 grams. Full size is 1.2 grams, retailing at 19 quid. This is a product that we saw in the Harrods Advent calendar. Tan Luxe, the face drops, 10 mils is next. I'm not sure about the shade, but full size is 30 mils and costs £35. If you want, you can calculate this as £1.17 per mil, and then find out the value of 10 mils, which is about 11 quid 70. But I didn't do that. So there are two tanning products in this Advent calendar. I was talking about this a couple of nights ago with my friend Joanna from Romania. She's Romanian, but she lives in Germany. And I'm quoting her here with her permission. Thanks, Joanna. She said Advent calendars are telling us, because you couldn't go out and get a real tan this year owing to COVID, here's a fake tan, or two in this case, from Santa for you. No, honestly, fake tan in a Christmas product, Advent product, doesn't make sense. Summer I can understand, but this actually, and two fake tans in an Advent calendar doesn't make sense. Not to me, at least. By Terry Mini Balm de Rose is next. You get 3 grams. Full size is 10 grams. I'm going to count it. The next product is the Huda Beauty Obsessions Precious Stones Eyeshadow Palette in Ruby, and this retails at 25 quid. Last year they sent out the exact same thing in Topaz. I would have, and Joanna agrees with me, like to see the mini Nude Obsessions palettes instead of the Precious Stones. The Precious Stones from what, 2 years ago or something? The Nude Obsessions palettes were more recent. I wish they'd send those out instead. And then you have the Zova 228 Luxe Crease Brush, 10 quid. That is the retail price. And then you have a 3.3 gram, not 3 gram, 0.3 grams of a Morphe eye primer. I think that's a sachet. So full sizes, Zova brush, Huda palette, Sunday Ivy makeup blender, Rodial sheet mask 4. 5, the Neom Balm. 6, the Essence mascara. 6 actual full sizes. Another sheet mask as well, the gold foil sheet mask. Forgot that. 7 full size products in this Advent calendar. And now let's do a price calculation. Huda, obviously 25, and the Zova brush 10. That makes it 35. The sheet mask 4.95, and Grown Alchemist facial exfoliant 20 mils, just retail at 22. So counting that, you get 57. The makeup blender from Sunday Ivy 63.50. The Rodial sheet mask 77.40. Neom hand balm 86.40, and the Essence Lash Princess mascara 89.69. So full sizes alone you get 89.69, and you pay 89 for the Advent calendar. Now let's see what happens when you add that gold foil sheet mask as well, which I forgot to count actually, the BeautyPro Thermotherapy gold foil sheet mask. That is also full size. So 8 full size products. Add that and you get £94.60, and you pay 89 for this Advent calendar. So it's kind of touch and go for me. You pay 89 for the Advent calendar. The products in here, the full sizes alone, come to £94.60. What happens when you have the half-size products, or do proportionate value and quantity calculations? I don't know, and I don't think I do want to know, because for me, you pay only for full-size products. Everything else has to come as a gift with purchase or as an extra. So is this Advent calendar worth it? The value is there in full sizes. You do get the cost of the calendar, and I think you do get discount codes that you can use on Feelunique every now and then. If I do know one, I will, add it in the description box below. They ship worldwide. Apart from that, this isn't an Advent calendar that blows me away. Possibly because I already have the Ruby eyeshadow palette, and possibly because they sent out Topaz last year. I wouldn't say, oh, this is amazing. It's alright. For me, I have mixed feelings about this. Yeah, alright. The value's there. Not, wow. But, for 89 quid, this is decent. That's all I'm saying. So where to buy this, I will link in the description box below. Are you going to get this? Do you like this? Are you fond of the content? So do you agree that they should have included a Nude Obsessions palette instead of the Ruby one? Do you also agree that there should have been a bigger sample size of the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Serum, maybe 5 mils or at least, 8 mils instead of 3.6? Do tell me all of that in the comments below. So that's all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please do give me a thumbs up. Please do hit the subscribe button. Please do ring the notifications button.